The three different programs that I used for this portion of the challenge were Tinkercad, Fusion 360, and Blender. I decided to do the same exercise in each program, which was making a tag. This is Tinkercad, which is a fun, free program that is great for beginners, but quickly becomes limiting as you progress in your 3D modeling skills. The program itself has some great resources and tutorials, especially if you're an educator. So if you are wanting to use this with students, particularly young children, I think it's a great option. There's some great features in here that kids would really enjoy, like the scribble feature where you can doodle and it becomes a 3D object. So you've graduated from Tinkercad and now you're moving on to Fusion 360. I can tell you from personal experience that this transition is definitely not an easy one. I don't use Fusion all that often, so getting back into the program was difficult for me. Like with most things in life, if you're not practicing almost on a daily basis, you can quickly forget what you've learned. Fusion is known for its very powerful parametric modeling. Most designs start off with a very specifically defined sketch with exact measurements, and from there, you can make this sketch into a 3D model. When putting the heart shape together, I found that I had to cobble together a bunch of different shapes, mainly a square and two circles, to make this happen, and then delete some lines in between. I'm still not sure if this was the best way to do this, but hey, it worked. Now, adding text was a whole nother monster in and of itself, and that was a bit of a struggle. I had to look up a tutorial on how to get that text centered, and if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description for that video that I used. As you're watching this, you're probably realizing that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Thanks to Kevin at Product Design Online, I was finally able to figure out this text thing and added Maker Comet to the middle of my heart tag. And there you have it, the completed Maker Comet tag. Yay! All in all, Fusion does a whole heck of a lot, and that could be really useful. However, it does take a lot more practice in order to get proficient. Despite this, I am excited to go through some more tutorials and to try making some more things in Fusion, probably later this week. Now let's move on to Blender. Due to my relative inexperience with this program, I feel like I was probably going about the heart tag the wrong way. I started off the same way as I did in Tinkercad and Fusion by working with shapes. From what I'm learning, however, it's better to start with a singular base shape and then sculpt it into its final form. I tried a lot of different things to make this heart happen, and, well, the results were less than stellar. Eventually, I got a little frustrated and I put it away for the day. I may come back to this exercise with making the heart or another object, but I think I might shift gears and try something different altogether. I hope you're enjoying watching my progress and struggles so far. Please join me in the next video, part 3, which will be exploring polymer clay.